Understanding Physical Fitness, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the concept of physical fitness. This term is not only vital for your health but also a common phrase in English conversations. So, let's explore what it means and why it's important. Physical fitness refers to the ability of your body to perform daily activities without getting too tired or stressed. It's not just about being strong or fast. It's about having endurance, flexibility, and overall bodily health. There are several aspects of physical fitness, including cardiovascular endurance, muscle strength, flexibility, and body composition. 1. Cardiovascular endurance. This is about how well your heart and lungs work together to provide oxygen to your body during physical activity. Activities like running, swimming, and cycling are great for this. 2. Muscular strength and endurance. This refers to the strength and endurance of your muscles. Lifting weights, doing push-ups, and practicing yoga can help improve this. 3. Flexibility. This is the ability to move your joints through a full range of motion. Stretching exercises are essential for improving flexibility. 4. Body composition. This is the ratio of fat to muscle in your body. A healthy diet and regular exercise can help maintain a balanced body composition. Being physically fit is not just about looking good. It has several benefits, such as reduced risk of diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Improved mental health and reduced risk of depression. Enhanced energy levels and better sleep. Boosted self-esteem and confidence. Achieving physical fitness is a combination of regular exercise and a balanced diet. Here are some tips. Start slow. If you're new to exercise, start with light activities and gradually increase the intensity. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. Eat healthily. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after exercise. Rest. Your body needs time to recover, so make sure you get enough sleep. I hope this video helps you understand what physical fitness is and why it's essential for a healthy life. Remember, achieving physical fitness is a journey, not a destination. So take it one step at a time, and you'll see the benefits in your health and your English vocabulary. Stay healthy, stay fit, and keep learning. See you in our next video.